G'day guys, Dave here from Aluminium. We're here to take a quick look at the new next-gen Clearview mirrors. They've made this awesome update on the previously awesome mirrors. We've been running Clearview mirrors now for about 4 years on our own 79s, and this is the brand new Boss 4495 build, and we've been lucky enough to get a pre-release version of the next-gen mirrors, and they are awesome. They got some really cool features like puddle lights, Cat 6 indicator and clearance lights, obviously indicator as well, and they've got this really awesome feature, automatic folding. So yeah, they're a two-stage unit now versus the old version, which was a one-stage. So that gives you, better view for towing. Yeah, if you're in the market for a high quality mirror, you definitely can't go past the next gen Clearview mirrors. And yeah, if you need any more information or looking to get some, contact us at Boss.